Leather colors are so beautiful, no?
Oh, beautiful.
See, this even the tan and blanket looks so good.
Yes, quickly.
Wow, beautiful. Look at this. This is what? This is that relief which Masru told me. He didn't use it, but beautiful color. So leather, it gives out very fresh colors.
Yeah.
Ours is fully green, so I don't know. I'll have to see whether it's right. Oh, beautiful. You know, when you give somebody something, now I have to give back to you. So it's my responsibility to find some good leather for you.
Yeah.
You love it? Yes.